Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find your Samsung phone model. Go to the settings menu, where you can manage all your phone's options and features. Next, scroll down through the list until you find About Phone. Tap on it to open the page. On this screen, you'll see important information about your device, where you can find details such as model name, for example, Galaxy M55 5G, model number like SMS911B, serial number, IMEI number used for network identification, Android version and other software details. If you need more detailed information, tap on Status Information for additional data about your device and network. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more easy tutorials.